Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Rocket theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Open Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. Once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to open Facebook Messenger. So once you open, you simply need to click on any person name. Click on person name on the top. Click on theme, and from here you need to scroll down, and here you can see this one, so you simply need to select that, and here you can see rocket, so then you need to select that, and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.